Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer your Shiba Inu cryptocurrency from Robinhood to Bitrue in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, knowing how to move your assets securely is a game changer for traders and investors alike. Whether you're aiming to access more advanced trading features on Bitrue or just want better control over your SHIB tokens, this step-by-step guide will get you there smoothly. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Bitrue. If you haven't already, download the apps or log into the websites and complete any verification processes. This is crucial for security and to avoid any hiccups later. Once that's done, log into your Robinhood account and navigate to your Shiba Inu holdings. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough SHIB to transfer. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal amounts. Next, initiate the withdrawal process on Robinhood. Go to the crypto section, select Shiba Inu, and choose the option to withdraw or transfer out. You'll need to enter your Bitrue wallet address, so hop over to Bitrue and copy it from your wallet dashboard. Pro tip: always double-check the address to prevent any irreversible mistakes, as crypto transfers are final. Now, specify the amount you want to transfer and review the network fees. In 2025, expect Ethereum-based fees for SHIB since it's on the ERC20 network, so factor that into your decision. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction on Robinhood. It might take a few minutes to a few hours to process, depending on network congestion. While you wait, keep an eye on your Bitrue account. Once the transfer arrives, verify the deposit in your wallet. If you encounter any issues, both platforms have support teams you can reach out to. Finally, a quick word of caution: always enable two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. This keeps your assets safe in the volatile crypto space. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Shiba Inu from Robinhood to Bitrue in 2025. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and happy trading.